Hi, my name's Arturo Dominguez. I'm a physicist here at the Princeton Plasma Physics Lab in Princeton, New Jersey. And here we try to develop fusion energy as an alternative energy source. November 9th, 1989, I was 10 years old. I was living in my native Bogota, Colombia. And even though I don't remember much, I remember watching the news and realizing that something really important was happening. I wanted to be an astronaut and study the stars. So clearly, I never became an astronaut. But at least as a plasma physicist, I can study what the stars are made of, plasma. So much of science depends on experiments, and we need to train the next generation of scientists to have the necessary experimental skills to do those experiments. With the pandemic, it's, if not impossible, it's very difficult for them to go to their labs and learn those skills. So what we've created here is a platform to take the experiments to the students. With this remote experiment platform, you have full control of an experiment 24/7. You can watch it using a live webcam. You go into the site and the supporting material is there at different academic levels. And what's really innovative is that you go in and you only have to put in your name, no special logins, nothing, and you're there. So to help us show how we can use our GDX from anywhere in the world, we have Marian helping us out. Hey, Marian.
Hi. So I am calling in from the Netherlands, and I'm here to show how you can access the experiment from anywhere in the world. So I'll share my screen, and it's as easy as going to the link, putting in your name, and I have access to do whatever I want. So I'll turn out the lights and ramp up the voltage so that the plasma actually comes on. And then let's shape it with our electromagnet.
As you can see, everything's happening right here in the lab. And Marian's in the queue. Thank you very much for helping us out.
No problem.
In the last 6 months, the whole world has had to learn to live online, and science education has never been more important. Now here at Princeton, we're surrounded by the world's most advanced scientific equipment. With this platform, we're putting it in your hands, whether you're a college student in the Netherlands or a 10-year-old in Bogota, Colombia. So actually, my mom is a professor. She teaches history, and she's had to learn how to teach herself online. And she's very proud that I'm also trying to teach others. In which other fields could we use this tool beyond plasma physics?
If you can control a piece of equipment with a computer in your laboratory or classroom, you can control it online with our platform.